Hello everybody. Today I make the corn with the coconut and sugar. This one I use sweet corn cream style, and that's cream style too. But this one is no sauce added. I have a pork here. Let me open those. I open already. So let me in here. Yeah, I will use the water to this one. Two. Now I put the pot here to cook. Let me add a little bit salt. Just cook. Okay, just mix a little bit. Yeah, I kind of low here because if not, it will stuck in the bottom of the. If you go in the high here, you don't stir. It's just stuck in the bottom of the pot. Let me cook for a little bit for this boiling cow. For a while, like probably after boiling, and leave that for boiling again for about 5 minutes, and I add the coconut milk. You know what? This corn, it tastes not bad, even though I haven't added sugar or anything yet. It tastes kind of sweet, and I did add the salt in. It tastes very good, not bad. If you want some kind of corn with a kind of soup like this, you can cook these and eat. Actually, Vietnamese have like corn. We have to use the real corn, slide it and cook, because and then I kind of skip shortcut. I took these the corn in the can with the creamy one. That's not bad. Let me cook a little bit more. A coconut milk. You can get any type of coconut milk. It's not necessary the one I using now, because I use this one because this one is they're kind of on sale. I bought 3 for $5, so I use half of them, half the let me see, half a coconut milk here, half can, yeah, half of them. Yeah, look nice. This is a simple dessert sugar. I don't know how many. I got a cup of sugar here, and after that, well, you know, whatever left, we take the different. Let me see. I use so far is 1/3 of a cup, because it's still left 2/3. So 1/3 of the cup here sugar, and half can of coconut milk. The can is 13.5 fluid ounces, or you can say like 400 milliliter. Half of that, that's a 200 milliliter. Let me see how this tastes now. That's very good. If you don't like a lot of sweet, this is enough sweet. And if you want more sweet, add, I think it's use a total half cup. Alright. Whoever wants more coconut, add more coconut. I think it's enough for me now. It's good. It's very good. It's easy dessert. If you like coconut or coconut milk, not coconut milk, then try it. I'll tell you, this is very good, tasty dessert I ever made. Better than the last time I make it too. The last time I make it is I think yeah, I use just like the corn. Very good. It's cheap too. To me, it's cheap too. I think I bought $1 a can or something. Yeah, $1 a can. So $2. Coconut milk, 3, 4, 5. So one is a $1.67 is what around that. So half of them 80 cents. So $2.80 plus the sugar. I think 20 cents. The $3. Yeah, it's $3 with dessert, the sweet dessert. And the only thing is you have to cook and wait. That's it. Also after that you need to clean the pot. But it's very good. It tastes good. The basis, like I said, is 2 cans of sweet cream corn, half can of coconut milk, and 1/3 cup of sugar. That's its basis. If you want sweeter, so change sugar 1/3 cup to half cup. Like also, if you want more tasty of coconut milk, add more coconut milk in. But add more coconut milk probably is kind of more watering. It can become watering more because so I think half cup of coconut milk enough. But if you don't mind it's watering, you add more coconut milk. Very good. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.